Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. It comes with great features you'll love. V6 engine, dynamic select automatic with driver control suspension management, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, memory steering wheel settings, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic transmission. Cars Direct proclaims the GLE's beautifully crafted interior leaves you wanting for nothing. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,